In today's video, I'm going to show you 7 features to help you elevate your social media game. Hi, I'm Angelina, the social media manager at Greyson Enterprises. With a passion for creativity and a knack for design, I specialize in crafting visually captivating content. Instagram stories are a great place to be promoting temporary posts or posts from your feed, and you can attach a link to it if you have a call to action. So you're going to take a photo or upload a photo from your camera roll, and once you've done that, you're going to go up to the top and you're going to click the sticker button. And once you've clicked that, you're going to hit link, and this is going to show up a space for you to type in your URL. And once you've typed in your URL, you can either leave it as is, or you can customize the text to say sign up for our newsletter, for instance. Once you've done that, you can then move around the sticker on your story, and then you can go ahead and publish it. So you can see that once you've published it, you're able to click on the sticker and it will take you to a browser to go to that link. If you're trying to increase your Instagram reach, using collaborative posts is going to be great for that. Upload your post, your carousel, or your reel as you normally would and enter your caption. And under the caption, you're going to see something that says tag people or add collaborators. So this is where you're going to select. You're then going to hit the invite collaborated button, and you're going to type in the person you want to collaborate with. So I'm going to type in according to Amy B. And then you can go ahead and just upload your post. And you can see that if you go to your messages, you're going to see that according to Amy B has a invite to be a collaborator. So once she sees that, she can go ahead and accept it, and it will show up on our feed that she's a collaborator and on her feed as well. We all love our aesthetic feeds on Instagram, so you can actually edit the cover of an Instagram reel. When you hit edit cover, you can either change the timeline of the video to use a certain portion as your cover, or you can upload one from your camera roll. And if you go to profile grid, you can drag it around to crop certain parts of the image. That way you're showcasing the parts that you want in the square. Instagram now allows you to schedule your post ahead of time. So you're going to go to advanced settings, which you can find at the bottom. And then you're going to turn on schedule this reel. And this is going to pop up a time, so you can select the day, the hour, the minutes, and whether you're posting in AM or PM. Once you've done that, you're just going to set the time. You could then go and post it, and it won't post to your feed just yet. So it'll post at the scheduled time, and you can see all your scheduled content by going to your profile, hitting the 3 lines, scheduled content, and you're going to see everything you've scheduled here. In case you posted something on your Instagram story and you forgot to tag a person, you don't need to take it down. You can actually go ahead and go to the dots in the corner, and you're going to add mentions. And then you can go ahead and mention anybody you wanted to have access to be able to repost your story. If you've taken a live photo using your phone, you can actually turn that into a boomerang. So you'll see in this image there's a little infinity sign, and that means it can be turned into a boomerang. All you have to do is upload that and then hold on the photo, and it'll become a boomerang. So if you didn't know this, when you're creating Instagram stories and you want to use colors to match your brand, what you can do is you can upload a post that has your brand colors, and I'm going to create a text box to @Amy's account. And this post already has our brand color, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to type it in, and you're going to see under the color, you're going to see a dropper tool. You can use this dropper and hover anywhere over your post to select that color, and it'll change your text to be that one. If this video was helpful, let us know down below in the comments if you want to hear more features of Instagram that you need to know. Thanks for watching!